Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to transfer a table from Excel sheet to a Word document. In order to do that, I have created here a sample sales table inside Excel, and now I will transfer it to Word document. In order to do that, we are opening a Word document, and after we have created a blank Word document, we're simply going to insert from above menu here, you can see. And from this area which says text, we are choosing object. And from object, we are selecting the create from file tab. And we're gonna click the checkbox of link from file. And from file, we're gonna browse the Excel document which we have created the table, and we want to insert it inside our Word document. Simply, I have browsed my navigation from the open file browser to the destination where my Excel file is located. It's on my desktop, and my file name was sales list. I'm selecting this, double click, and then we're selecting OK. And simply, as you can see now, we have inserted the sales per month table of Excel inside our Word document. So the video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Until the next one, have a nice day. Bye bye.